Okay guys, we're gonna put this egg in the microwave on high and we're gonna see what happens for as long as it takes. And we're off.
You can hear it. Oh god, you can really hear it. It's gonna take very long. In the next few turns.
You can hear it cooking.
Here we go.
Whoa! Let's let it cook a little bit longer. No, I don't think anything else is.
Alright, we're done.
Alright, we're gonna open it up and see what we have. Oh, that is disgusting. Oh, I touched it.
Zoom back a bit.
Ugh. Can you shine the light over here?
No, zoom out though.
Oh, wow. I think that fogged up the lens.